In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as PDF in Canva. If you've ever downloaded a Canva design in the wrong format, you already know how frustrating that can be. Text can look blurry, links may stop working, and a design that looked great on screen can end up looking completely off once it's shared or printed. Saving your file as a PDF is usually the best choice when you want a clean, professional document, especially for things like ebooks, proposals, brochures, resumes, or anything that needs to keep its layout intact. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to export your Canva design as a PDF the right way. Start by opening your design project in Canva. From the Canva homepage, go to your recent projects or locate the file you want to work with, then open it so it appears in the main editor. This gives you a chance to quickly review the layout before exporting. Make sure everything looks correct on the canvas, especially if you're working with multiple pages. If you plan to print the PDF, there's one important preparation step you should do first. Go to the top menu, click File, then open View Settings. From there, turn on Show Margins and Show Print Bleed. These guides help you see the safe area for your content and the extra edge space used for printing. It's a simple step, but it can make a big difference by helping you avoid trimmed text or unwanted white borders on the final printed piece. Once your design looks good, move to the top right corner of Canva and click Share. This is where Canva keeps the options for sending, publishing, or exporting your file. In the menu that appears, scroll until you find Download, then click it to open the export settings. Now look for the file type dropdown. Click it, and you'll see different format options. For this tutorial, you'll want one of the PDF choices. Choose PDF Standard if you need a smaller file size for email, online sharing, or general digital use. Choose PDF Print if you want higher quality for professional printing, sharper visuals, and better overall output. The right option depends on how you plan to use the file. If you selected PDF Print, check the box for crop marks and bleed if that option appears. This is especially useful for print production. Then review the page selection area and make sure all the pages you want included are selected. Before downloading, it's also a good idea to confirm your file name is clear and easy to recognize. Finally, click the download button at the bottom of the panel. Canva will process the file and save your PDF to your device, and that's it. You now know how to save as PDF in Canva quickly and correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.